Hey guys, do you wanna enable headphone monitoring in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do so easily in just a few steps. So let's get right into it. First up, open Audacity. Right. Once you have opened Audacity, head towards Edit tab right here, which is on the menu, and click on Preferences. You can either press Ctrl+P. Now once Preferences is opened, go to Audio Settings, and under Audio Settings, make sure your microphone and your headphones is plugged in. Under Playback, your device is here. Check your headphones, right? Check if your headphones is plugged in and select your headphones. And on the Recording, check if your microphone is plugged in and click on Microphone. Once you've done that, click OK. And changes should take place. If it does not, make sure you restart Audacity once. Once you've done it, on the menu, click on Record button that is right here. And then your audio will be recorded by itself. And that's it. You can stop it by pressing spacebar. And you can preview it by pressing spacebar again. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.